guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a really good day. Today I'm going to be trying out the brand new Kiss magnetic eyeliner. This is what it looks like. And in the past I tried the Ardell and the Allure one together, so I figured I would try this one out. I was gonna do like a full face of nude drugstore makeup, but you guys really liked the last video that I did with the Ardell and Allure, so I figured I'd just do like a single video with this. But I'm super excited because this says that it is secure, hold, and last up to 16 hours. So I'm not going to be trying it for 16 hours, but I'm just gonna see if it works. And I'm going to try it against the Ardell one, just because I know that this works and I actually really like this. When I did that video testing the two drugstore magnetic liners, the Allure one did not work at all for me, but I have seen videos where it has worked. Maybe it was just like my kit, I don't know. But this one is very similar to that because it is like a pen liner instead of the Ardell one, which is like a gel potted liner. So I'm excited because I saw this at CVS the other day and I was like, I need to try this. I've been really liking the magnetic liner because the lashes that come in the Ardell one, which are the wispies, are super natural. I'm gonna do the Ardell on one eye and the Kiss on the other one because I know how the Ardell functions, and so I kind of want to try it right next to the Kiss one just to see what the difference is. So I hope you guys are excited. Yay, magnetic liner. It's the future, guys. So before we jump in, don't forget to subscribe. Also like the video if you enjoy it. All right, let's jump right in. Okay guys, so I brought you in a little bit closer so we can just focus on the eyes. I just got back from work and I've had this makeup on for like 10 hours. I kind of intensified the eyes and refreshed everything with powder. So if I look a little weird or missing makeup in certain spots, that is why. Let's start off with the Kiss one. So I just took it out of the packaging. It looks like this. Pretty freaking simple, which is nice to be honest with you. The liner looks like this. It's a lot bigger than the Allure liner. And the brush is super thin. I'm just gonna swatch it on my hand. Whoa, that is very nice and very thin. I like that a lot. That's a lot thinner than most liners like this. And then I'm just gonna give you a close-up on the lashes so you could see it. So first I'm going to do the Ardell one. If you guys are not familiar with the Ardell magnetic liner and lash kit, basically you get a pot liner and a little brush, and the liner looks like this. I actually used this the other day. So I'm just gonna do this one first just because I know what it does. And this is really not like a comparison video. It's more like I know how this one performs. Does this one perform as good with a liner pen instead of like a pot liner or a gel liner? So let me do this really quick first and then I will pop back to put the lash on and see how we go. Okay, so that is what the liner looks like. My only problem with Ardell one is that you can't get a really precise line because it is very gloopy, but it works. So to me, it's okay because it works. Like when I tested the Allure and the Ardell one, that was my biggest thing. But you can get a nice line. I'm not saying it's terrible, but you can't get a very precise line because it is so gloopy. Like you can see, it's super gloopy. Let me put my hand behind it, maybe that'll work. It's just pretty gloopy. I don't have another word for it. So if the Kiss ones work, that would be so great because to have a pen instead of this kind of gel liner formula would be really nice. The instructions for the Ardell one is to apply 2 coats of magnetic gel liner along the upper lash line. So I did do 2, so we're gonna see how this goes. Excuse my mirror if it is in the frame. I'm just gonna pop these on really quick. Okay, so there you go. The Ardell lash is on. The only problem with this magnetic liner thing is that normally when you're putting on liner, you're doing it to make your eyes look bigger. So you wanna make it fatter or thicker on the outer edges of your eye and thinner on the inner. So when you do it really thin or properly, the magnet doesn't want to stick to it because it is so thin. So that's the only problem I've ever had with these. That is literally it. So it tends to not stick to that really thin area because there's no liner there. So that is my only issue. So you can try and keep it all the way over on the outer edges of your eye. Otherwise it's just going to annoy you because it's going to want to come off. But right now it's fine. Like I said, it's a very natural lash, the Ardell one. So we're gonna try the Kiss one. So the instructions for the Kiss one are so easy. Line the Kiss magnetic eyeliner along the lash line and wait until formula is dry. So very simple, unlike the Allure one and the Ardell one, which are like, do 2 strokes, do 1 stroke. So this is just like basically 1 and you're done, which I love. So let me go ahead and do this and we'll see how this works. Also, what I love about the Kiss ones is that they have in the packaging 2 magnets here. I don't know if you can see it. There's one there and then one right there so that it just like sticks to it. The Ardell one just has like these 2 sticky things that don't really work. And these are in the style Lure, by the way. This works, hopefully it does. That was so simple. Again, the same problem because you're making the line so thin that it's kind of hard to get it to stick. But again, you can always make it thicker. But that took 2 seconds and a lot easier application than the Ardell one. So yes, ma'am. So what I'm gonna do now is take the Ardell lash, which is this one right here, and I'm going to pop it on the Kiss liner and see if it works. I also really like how thin this tip is. Like you could do a wing with this really quickly, which I'll show you in a second. So I'm just gonna take this and just show you like how easy this is to do a wing. So yes, it does work with all magnetic lashes. Look how freaking pretty that is with the wing. Stop it. All right, so I am going to do the ultimate test, which is this. So I would say that it lifts like a tiny bit, but nothing too crazy. Pretty much the same with glue. I like the way it looks. It's super black and it's kind of matting down. It's not like shiny. Same thing kind of with this one, but you can see the difference automatically. Like how, first of all, you can see how big my eyes look with this one and how small this is with this one. It's like crazy. So I would recommend this magnetic liner too. If you already have your favorite like magnetic lashes, just buy the liner. I wasn't super impressed with these lashes. At my CVS they had no other kits, but they did have other magnetic lashes. But I'm gonna say this, I like this a whole lot better than the Ardell magnetic gel liner, simply because this one, you can get such a clean line with the Kiss one. So I like that you can do a wing with this. I like that it's a matte, like it's a matte formula for sure. This one as well is pretty matte, it's not shiny at all. I like that the lash stuck to it, but this is like my new favorite liner. Like all in all, Kiss outbeats Ardell for me and Allure. I didn't really like the Allure one, obviously, already. But so if you like this video, definitely go check out the other one. I will link it down below so you can try it out. I always link down my one brand tutorial playlist. If you're interested in that, you can just like pop that on, do your wrapping and just watch that if you're interested. Also, the Kiss liner is a lot thinner than the Allure liner. I don't have that on me. I don't know what I do with it. I am like the weirdest, like I am like the clumsiest person like in life. Like I just lose things. Like I don't know if that's under the clumsy umbrella, but it's under some sort of umbrella. Messy. If you got a good Allure one and it works for you, honey, then like that's everything. I just want to let you know that this is actually thinner, like a thinner brush, which yes ma'am. But I don't think you need to run out and get this if you already have one that you like or whatever the frick it is, but this is really, really nice. This will be my new go-to. I love that I can do, like, I don't feel like with the Ardell one, I could do like a really nice, straight winged eyeliner. It's a little too gloopy, it's a little too messy. Just before we close out the video, I just wanna let you guys know I'm a pen liner type of person. I'm not so much a gel liner type of person. Like, I don't really like this kind of like if it wasn't magnetic, I wouldn't use something like this. So that's what I'm trying to say. Like I would normally use a pen like the Kat Von D tattoo liner or the like NYX Epic ink liner. Like I like liners like that. If you're comfortable with like gel liners like this, then you're golden, honey. If you have been like waiting and are like, I'm not gonna buy any of these like drugstore magnetic liners until like we figure out the formula, I would say go pick up the Kiss one. The Kiss one is, it's really good. Like I like the way that it looks. Like, it's very matte too. Like I love that it's matte. The Allure one is a little bit more shiny, so living and breathing. Yeah. Alright guys, so that is it for the video. This is a short and sweet one. I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to leave a comment down below of any videos you want to see on my channel in the future, or any makeup product or any product you want me to try out. Leave that down below, and I really appreciate you guys, and I hope that you're having the best weekend and best Christmas. Like, it's coming up. I'm not done shopping. I might buy this for somebody. I might have to go back to CVS and get this for somebody. I really appreciate you guys. Anybody who comments on my videos, like you're everything to me. Like honestly, like it blows my mind. I know I'm not there yet, but like seeing people react to my videos is like really heartwarming. Like even if I stay at 20 freaking followers, I'm so happy, because it's like, this is my dream. And I just want you guys to know that. So, you rock. Merry Christmas. Alright guys, have a really good weekend, and I will see you, as always, in my next video. Bye guys.